Now I'm going to show you a really quick tutorial how you can change between dark and light mode inside of Windows, and it's something really easy to do. Now, let's begin. Right-click into the Start button and open the settings. Once you have the settings open, on the left side you're going to see a bunch of things. You want to click where you see Personalization. On this new tab that gets open, you want to click where you see Colors. And here you have the option of Choose Your Mode. You can change the colors that appear in Windows and your apps. And right here you have the option of dark, light, and even a custom one that you can change between. For example, if you want to have your default Windows mode into dark and your apps into light, or another way around. For me, I prefer always dark mode, so that is what I'm going to use. And tutorial done. What are you still doing here? Drop a like, subscribe, and see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.